Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are safe, staying at home. Now, we have finished the poem in the last class. Now, I will be explaining all the question answers for you all and sending the photo after this video. So, now we will come on to the question answers. First question, answer these questions. It wasn't always like this. Why does the speaker say this? Why does the speaker say that her smartphone was not always like this? Because earlier, before it stopped working, it could do all the activities the smartphone could do for her. So, she says that the speaker says that her smartphone was not always dumb. How was it earlier? Earlier, it used to perform all the tasks that the smartphone could do. That means it was in a very good working condition. Only now, because she forgot to charge it, it has become dumb. Now, the second question, the speaker says that her smartphone is rather dumb. Which of these words can be used to replace rather? Put a tick against the correct answer. Now, three words are given there: many, sometimes, quite. So, the meaning of rather in this poem is quite. So, quite is the answer. Now, the third question, why do you think the speaker's smartphone is not working? Why do you all think the speaker's smartphone is not working? Do you remember the poem? Her smartphone is not working because she had forgotten to charge her phone for 1 week. So, that is the answer. Now, next one, fourth question. According to you, who seems to be dumb? The phone or the speaker? Why? Now, according to me, I will say that the phone is not dumb. It is the speaker who is dumb. Why? Because she forgot to charge her phone and she is blaming the phone for not being active. So, actually, the speaker is dumb and not her smartphone. Now, the last question, what makes this poem humorous? Humorous means funny. What is the funniest thing about the poem? The most funniest thing is that the speaker forgot to charge her phone and she is going on blaming the phone for not answering the call, for not surfing the internet, for not playing games, for not taking any pictures. So, actually, it is the speaker's mistake that she forgot to charge her phone. So, that is why the poem is funny. She is blaming the phone. Actually, it is her fault, her mistake. So, the speaker says she was angry with the phone and she is calling all names, calling the phone dumb, calling the phone lame, saying that it is not working, and she is asking, will you take a look to see what is wrong with my phone? Only then she remembered that she had forgotten to charge her phone for 1 week. Now, the question answers are over, children. Now, some of you all have made mistakes in when you all wrote the antonyms. So, I will be sending you all the pic after this class. Smart, opposite is foolish. Hero, opposite is villain. Play, opposite work. Install, opposite uninstall. Show, opposite hide. Always, opposite never. Now, the rhyming words also, some of you all were not clear, that is why I am explaining once more. Now, what are rhyming words? Words which have got the same sound. For example, here the first one is dumb, gum. See, it has got the same sound. So, we want words which have got the same sound as dumb, gum. So, the next word you can write plum, you can write come. Second one, lame, game. You can write same or came. Now, the third one, app, map. Same sound they must have, cap, lap. Now, calculate, date. For calculate and date, 8 has the same sound. Hate, H-A-T-E also has got the same sound. Now, the fifth one, call, all. call, all, fall, tall, all these words can be used. And the last one, peak, weak. You can write seek, you can write beak, you can write cheek also. So I will be sending the pictures after this class. Now we will go to the last exercise. G. Complete these verses in your own words. You can write it in your own words, or those who cannot do it, you can write it from the poem. My smartphone isn't very smart. In fact, it's rather dumb. It's dumber than a doorknob or a piece of chewing gum. It used to be so awesome, but now my phone is lame. It cannot surf the internet. It cannot play a game. So with this poem, all exercise all over, children. So I want you all to study the first 8 lines. By the end of next week, all of you all must finish studying first 8 lines. Study only 8 lines. For 4 lines you can keep on studying, and I will be sending the question answers next week, 2 question answers. So that also when you all get it, I want you all to study it. Okay, thank you children.